morning, class. I am teacher Eliza May Villar, and today we will have a fun discussion in English. To start, I have here 3 incomplete sentences. And then later on, you are going to complete it by choosing the correct answer. I will be showing you some cards and you are going to pick or choose the correct form or noun to be used in order to satisfy the sentences. For the sentence number 1, I'm going to show you the first card. Are you ready? Okay. Now, are you done? Perfect. Now, let us proceed to card number 2. Done? Very good. Now, let us proceed to the last card for the last sentence. Are you done? Perfect. Save your answer because we are going to get back to it. Okay? I hope that in answering those 3 sentences, you remembered the difference between the singular form and the plural form. Again, what is the difference between the two? The singular form refers to only one, but a plural form refers to 2 or many. Let us start to answer the first sentence. The blank walks quietly. What verb is used? Very good. It is walks. And walks is a singular form that is in the present tense. So, you need to choose in the card the correct noun that will agree to our verb. Now, this is the card that I have shown you a while ago. And what is the correct answer? Very good. It is the man because first of all, there is already a hint that it only shows one person. So, the correct answer is the man walks quietly. The blank are gathering some foods. What is used after the blank? It is the word are. So, it is in a plural form. So, here is the card. What is the correct answer? Very good. It is the ants because it is also in a plural form. Now, let us proceed to our third and last sentence. The dog blank. What is used before the blank? It is the noun dog. And dog is in the singular form, so the verb also should be singular to satisfy the sentence. So, the correct answer is very good. The dog barks. Job well done, guys. Now, I think that you are ready on our discussion. Let us proceed to the main topic of our lesson for today. It is all about the subject and verb agreement. Subject and verb agreement must agree through the means of the subject and the verb should be both plural or both singular. Take note that a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Now, in order for you guys to better understand subject-verb agreement, I have prepared examples. The first example is Cal loves to dance. As you can see, Cal is the subject of the sentence in a singular form. So, the sentence needs also a singular verb, and that is the use of loves. That is in the present tense. So, the subject and verb agree, so the sentence is correct. Now, let us proceed to sentence number 2. The boys run. The subject used in the sentence is the boys. So, the boys is in the plural form. So, in order for it to have an agreement, the verb should also be in a plural form. So, the sentence use run, that is in the present tense. So, the subject makes it perfect by using plural subject and plural verb. Now, let us proceed to the last example. The dog drinks his water every day. Our main subject, or the subject of the sentence, is the dog. And the dog is in the singular form, so it also needs a singular verb. It uses the drinks, that is also in the present tense. So, the dog drinks his water every day. There is an agreement of the subject and the verb, therefore it makes the sentence correct. Now that we are done on the definition and the examples of subject-verb agreement, I think that you are already prepared to handle the 5 rules in subject-verb agreement. First, singular subject joined by and are generally plural. Example, both the art teacher and the student enjoy a student-centered approach. As you can observe, we have the art teacher and the student, that is a singular subject joined by the word and, so it is considered as plural subjects. Therefore, in order to make the sentence correct, the verb must be in a plural form also, and that is the use of enjoy. Now, it makes the sentence correct. Second rule of subject-verb agreement. Indefinite pronouns such as somebody, anybody, no one, anybody, and many more usually takes a singular verb. For example, no one likes to have a failing grade. As you can see, we have there the use of no one, and then no one is considered as a singular. Therefore, it also takes a singular verb, which is the likes. So, the sentence agree, and then the sentence is correct. Now, we have come to the third rule of the subject and verb agreement. Nouns with the quantifier, including some, any, all, and most, can be singular and plural. Example, some policies were rejected while others were approved. And as you can see, we have there the use of word some, but our subject there is the policies, that is in the plural form. Therefore, in order to agree the subject and verb, the verb must also be in a plural form. And that is why we use the word were, that is in the past tense of are in a plural form. Let us continue to the fourth rule of the subject and verb agreement. After the subject joined by either, neither, nor, not only, but also, the verb should agree to the subject that is nearest to it. For example, neither the lecturer nor the students want to reschedule the class. As you can see, we have there the use of neither and the nor that you might get a little confused. But stick to the rule. It says there that the verb must agree to the nearest subject. Now, what is the verb used in the sentence? Very good. It is the want. And want is a plural form because the subject is also in the plural form, which is the students. Therefore, the subject and the verb agrees, and it makes the sentence correct. Now, we have come to the last and final rule in the subject and verb agreement. There is and there are agrees with the noun that follow. For example, there is a dog in the kitchen. There is in the singular form, and the noun that is following the word there is should agrees. Therefore, we use the dog that is also in the singular form. Another example, there are dogs in the park. There are is in the plural form, and it follows by the plural subject. And it makes the subject and verb agree with each other, makes the sentence correct. In the generalization of our discussion, subject-verb agreement, it is a means that the subject and the verb agrees with each other in a way that singular subject takes a singular verb and the plural subject takes a plural verb. And then it has 5 rules. First one is singular subject joined by the word and is generally plural. Second, indefinite pronouns such as someone, anybody, nobody, or somebody usually takes a singular verb. The third one, nouns used with a quantifier such as some, any, all, and most can be singular and plural. And then the fourth one, after the subject is joined by either, neither, nor, not only, but also, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. And then, last but not the least, there is and there are agrees with the noun that follows. Very good, class! Now that we are done on our discussion about subject-verb agreement and its 5 rules, I believe that you are all ready to our activity. On our first activity, I want you to create your own sentences, incorporating with the subject and verb agreement using these pictures on the screen. Okay, are you done, guys? For the last activity, the instruction there is, write your most unforgettable moment, following the 5 rules in the subject and verb agreement. Job well done, guys! I hope that you enjoyed and learned a lot on our discussion today. This is Teacher Eliza May Villar, leaving you with a message that learning English is fun. Goodbye!